This video is to show you what comes in the package for the Homdox bamboo 4-tier shoe rack. It is made out of burl wood. The dimensions are 26.5 inches wide. It does have 4 tiers. I've got a lot of shoes on it. By 28.5 inches high. And the depth is 9.5 inches deep. Very easy to assemble. It comes with all the screws. They just simply get lined up on each shelf, and it does have a Allen wrench that is enclosed in the package to put it together, so you really don't need anything. Very sturdy and just loving it. Thank you for watching. Again, that's the Homdox bamboo 4-tier shoe rack. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.